The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern McLean County in central Illinois until 3:15 p.m. At 2:59 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fairbury to near Lexington, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. These severe thunderstorms will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern McLean County, including the following locations: Weston. This includes Interstate 55 near mile marker 181. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in the sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for central Illinois. A severe